Hi guys, in this video I'm going to interface Arduino with the push buttons. For that I took 4 push buttons and I'm going to connect it to the Arduino. Before that I will explain the circuit diagram. Here I took 4 push buttons and I connected the one pin to the Arduino, and I took D2, D3 and D6 and D7 for push buttons, and we are going to use these 4 push buttons in further videos also. So I designed the so I am designing the board as for the further use also. Okay, now the one side of the push button is connected to the Arduino and other side is grounded. All the push buttons are connected accordingly, and I took D13 and as I took an LED output in Arduino Nano. The onboard LED is connected to D13, so I am not using an external LED, I am using an onboard LED. In this video I used only one push button. The same push button is used to turn on the LED and turn off the LED. When the button is pressed once, it will turn on the LED. If you press again the push button, it will turn off the LED. Likewise, I written the software also. Okay, now I will show you the software. Now we are going to compile and upload the program to Arduino. Okay, here you can see when I press the button, that LED will turn on, and if I press the push button again, LED will turn off. You can clearly see the LED is turning on and off while I am pressing the push button. Okay, thanks for watching.